playing catch up in the foldable space with devices from Chinese brands outdoing them in hardware and matching in software. Samsung was the first person to launch a foldable phone in the global market. Now just ready to strike back with a brand new Galaxy Z Fold7. It's the biggest update to the Z Fold series ever. It is weighs 215 grams, making it lighter than Galaxy S25 Ultra and 24 grams lighter than last year's Z Fold 6. The new armor flex hinge and armor aluminum helps the Z Fold 7 slim down. It measures 8.9 mm thick when folded and mere 4.2 mm thick when unfolded. The dimensions are in line with Honor Magic V5 and Vivo X Fold 5. It gets the largest display also in the series. The main screen is 8 inches and the cover screen is 6.5 inches, and it has a wider 21:9 aspect ratio. Both panels get dynamic 2x variety with 1 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rate. They get plenty brighter 2600 nits brightness. You get Gorilla Glass ceramic 2 protection on the cover screen with a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Samsung uses the latest generation of UTG on the main 8-inch display, which is 50% thicker than before. Samsung removed the UDC camera on the main screen and you get a traditional 10 megapixel punch hole solution. S Pen has been omitted this time. It has IP48 for dust and water resistance. The back has Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The biggest changes for the camera. Samsung added 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP2 for the main sensor, the same one used in S25 Ultra. It is equivalent to 24 mm and is joined by two rubbish cameras of last year, that is 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera 12 mm. The chipset is coming with Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, which is configured to 12 or 16 GB of RAM or 256, 512, 1 terabyte of storage. You get some gains in connectivity front with support for newer Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 standard. You get One UI 8 based on Android 16 with full Galaxy AI suite. Samsung is promising 7 years of Android OS updates and 7 years of security patches. You will get 6 months of Google AI Pro tier for free. The battery still sucks at 4400 mAh with the same 25-watt wired, 15-watt wireless, and 4.5 reverse wireless charging. It's available in blue shadow, silver shadow, jet black, and mint colors. The baseline model 12256 have risen by $100 at $2000 is charged now, and the top of the line 16 GB 1 terabyte model sells for $2428. Open sale starts from July 25th.